I found this new AI tool that is absolutely free to use and it can generate fully animated videos. I'm talking about script, animation, characters, voiceover, lip sync, everything. You just chat with the AI and it does everything for you. It's called Anijam and you can even use it on your mobile phone and you don't have to download anything. So let me show you how it works. Alright, so here we are at Anijam and as you can notice here, it's still in beta, so it's pretty new. Now, when we scroll to the website, you can already see some examples of what kind of movies you can make. You can make like these animations, you can make like these movies for kids, everything that's related to animated movies. Now let's go to the top and actually I want to create a new project and I'm just gonna give it a simple prompt. So I want to create an animated movie about a curious little boy that wakes up alone in an abandoned dusty city. Let's just send this to the AI and I don't want to do anything. I just want to give it my idea and let AI handle the rest. Now in this tool, we have an AI bot that actually does everything for us. And the only thing we have to do is to just give it some commands like do this or that. It's going to ask us questions. So when we look here, we can see we have following agent. So we are now following what the agent is doing. On the right side, you can see it starts to ask some questions. Who is my target audience? All ages, kids or teenagers? Let's go for all ages. For what platform do I want to make this video? Let's go for YouTube. Aspect ratio, I'm going to select 16:9. I want to have a widescreen video. Then we have the audio mode. Do I want to dialogue, voiceover, or music only? I'm just going to do dialogue. Let's do dialogue. I think that's the most interesting one. Now here we have the duration and this is pretty cool because we can bump this all the way up to how many minutes do we want? More than 10. I don't know how far this thing goes, but I'm going to do it a little bit shorter or else we're going to wait a long time for this to be generated. Let's do half a minute. I think this is fine. Now, then we have a to-do list and this is actually what the bot is going to do. It's going to create a story outline first, then it's going to design visual style, then it's going to generate the concept art, build a storyboard, generate video clips and combine to a final video. So it's going to do everything to create your video and that is pretty cool. We don't have to do anything. Here you can see this is our storyboard. It's going to draw everything for us. So let's just confirm this and let it do its thing and we're just gonna wait and sit back and relax and just wait until everything is finished. Now while this is being generated, you can take a look at the screen and it says I'm creating the outline. So the AI agent is already started creating a story outline for the story. On the right side you can see it's already created something. Here we have the last wanderer. This is probably the title that it thinks of. Then we have the goals, then we have the character. It also gave a name to our character. Obviously we can change everything that we want, so this is just an example that it created. Here we have the locations. This is this basic locations where we're gonna see the movie. Then we have some notes here and the scenes. Now on the right side, you can see we have the scenes here. We have 1, 2, 3 scenes, probably because I have a 30-second video. So it's not gonna do more than 3 scenes, like 10 seconds per scene. Then we can select a style design. So let's click on style design. And now it's gonna read this and we're gonna select the style and we're gonna do everything together with the bot. All right, so style came up here and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 styles. If you want more styles, if we don't like any of these styles, we can go to the style library and here we have even more styles. Now we can pick from a lot of styles here. I don't even know what kind of style I want to use for this. I want to have something simple. Let's say, let me see. Oh, there's so many here. It's really difficult to pick style. I'm going to go for, let's do cozy 3D. I think this is fine. Now we're giving the bot the instructions to make this style, the cozy 3D, and it's going to apply that to the whole video or actually animation. So now it's working on the images. Usually when you generate AI videos or movies, first you have to generate these images and then you turn these images into real videos. So that's exactly what the AI bot is doing now. It's going to generate some images and then we have to decide, do we like these images or not? So here we have a concept design. Let's click on that. All right, so when we look at the storyboard now, you can see it starts to adding some elements. It starts to add concept art. And here I can even move this to the right like that. So we have some more space here. Here we're going to see some elements from our movie. Let's click on generate all concepts. Let it do everything. And then we can look at the results. All right, so it is finished with generating the images. We have Eli, this is our main character. Then we have Eli's dog compass. I think this is something he's gonna use in the movie. And we have some scenes like dusty abandoned, crumbled city street, etc. So we can look at these images and then we can regenerate them or use them. I think I'm gonna leave it as it is. I think this is fine. On the right side, you can see we have now a selection. We can make a storyboard plan and we can use AI director mode, generate a final video with audio in one go, or we can do workflow mode and then you can regenerate stuff and do more customization. I'm gonna go for AI director mode. I just want to generate this video to show you the results. And then we select a video model. Now Seedance 2 is available and Kling. If you have a free plan, you should go with Kling because this is only on the pro plan Seedance. So let's click on Kling. Let's do the free one and then click on confirm, and it should make a movie out of these scenes. All right, so it's busy with creating these scenes, and when we move the whole storyboard thing here to the right, you can see we have these 3 videos that are now being generated. We can now select from generate all at once or generate step by step. If you're going to do step by step, you can customize it a bit more. I'm just going to click on generate all at once. As I said, I just want to see the results. All right, so the 3 videos are generated. When we look at the right side, you can see 1, 2, 3 videos. We can preview them. If you want to see how this looks or want to change anything, we can preview this here. We have another scene and the 3rd scene. Then we can generate BGM. So let's click on that. So now it's going to generate some background music for the video. While this is being generated, we can have a look at the to-do list. You can see it's almost finished with the whole video. We are at the last spot, combine final video. This is where everything is gonna put together as a final result. And then we can go to the timeline, which you can find here, where we can do some more changes to our video. So let's wait until this is finished. Oh, it's already finished here. We can now add media to timeline. That means that it's gonna move everything to the timeline. Let's do that and let's move it all to the timeline. So the media is added to the timeline, and let's go to the timeline and have a look at that. And here you can see we have a timeline. Let's make this a bit smaller so we can see this better. We have the audio track and we have the 3 videos. And here you can basically move everything around, add some more clips if you want to, add some text. Here you have a text option, etc. So here you can finalize your video and make it like a final result. And that's pretty much it. The bot did everything for us. We can give it instructions to like change this or that. So it's super easy to use. Even if you don't know how to write prompts, you don't need to know how to write prompts because you have now an AI agent that's gonna help you with this. So if you want to try it out yourself, check the link in the description. It's free right now. You get free credits, then you can try to make your own animated video for free and you don't have to do anything complicated. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll catch you on the next one.